Hello creatives, so welcome to the channel. My name is Alan Jacob and we are up again for another Canva design hack tutorial. So if you're ever wondering what is a Canva design hack, these are design hacks, a series of tutorials wherein I teach you designs that you'll never know were possible to create at Canva. So for our tutorial for today, we're going to call it dispersion effect. This is the kind of effect wherein the effect called the snap of Thanos. So as you can see here, I have an example, Spider-Man, because I am a die-hard fan of him, and of course we're going to create it in order for me to teach you this, guys. So right now, as you can see here, these are the combinations of a lot of different elements. So this is going to become a complicated one. So of course, first of all, we're going to upload our photo. So I really recommend your photo having no background, but in case it has any, you can just remove it using the Canva background remover. Okay, so if ever you're using Pro, this is just one click for you guys to make it happen. Okay, so just go to effects and let's remove the background of this image. Okay, waiting for Canva to remove it. So if ever guys you're hearing different sounds from my surroundings, I'm really sorry, since I don't have any budget for a good quality microphone. Anyways, we're going to save up. So there we have it. We've removed the background. So let's go to elements, and then there let's type in the word splash or splatter in order to find the element that I've clicked. This one there, because this is a crucial part of this tutorial, because this tutorial is just mainly all about using these elements properly. So okay, there we have it. So this element is not just the one we're going to use. We're going to use a lot of elements but similar to this one. So as you can see, I've used magic recommendation to find different elements similar to it, and then what you wanted to do is to place it near the side of the image and change its color to the same background of the image that you've just removed its background earlier. That's like what I did here. I've changed its color to at least dirty white, so that when I placed it on the near side of the image, it will look as if the image is, bits by bits, layer by layer, turning into dust. Okay, so maybe you've known already where this is going from. We're just going to place a lot of similar elements like this on the side of the image. Okay, so just like this one, we're going to place it properly, and there we have it. So maybe you've get it already. This is going to be a little bit detailed and kind of bit boring to watch, so I'll just pass in this one up. Okay, of course this is not going to become the same perfect tutorial as you're going to do it. We're going to recreate it, but you're going to use a lot of different similar elements to this. Okay, there we have it. So now the dust that is being sucked by air. Okay, we're going to use this one, and for this to work properly, you need to copy the similar colors that your image has on the side of it. Just like this one on the hair, it's like color dark brown, so I've used the color dark brown to make it look like as if the hair are turning really into dust, and it's really the part of the hair that's turning into dust. Okay, so there, let's just place it properly. So I really was kind of wrong on clicking the duplicate button over and over again. So what I recommend you guys is you just click the Control C on the element, and then click Control V in order to duplicate it fast without zooming on or moving the mouse, or just to click the duplicate button. Okay, so there we have it. Let's just change its color a little bit so that it will have similar colors upon the face. Okay, there we have it. Just place this one here and then place this one. Okay, let's just rotate it a little bit to add effects. Okay, and this one there. Okay, let's go to the body part. This one's like a color red though. Okay, so let's just darken this a little dark though. Okay, maybe this one's good. Okay, there we have it. There, the perfect color. Now it resembles the armor of Spider-Man, or Iron Spider specifically. So I'm really excited for the upcoming movie of Spider-Man. They say it's going to be released on December 2021. And they say they're going to recast Andrew Garfield and Tobey Maguire. So MCU fans, I'm really excited to watch it. There. Okay, let's just enlarge this one a little bit. So there we have it. As you can see, we've already done the dispersion effect. So that's how you did it, guys. So I hope this tutorial has really helped you a lot. So don't forget, if you are new in this channel, to click subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you won't always get updated on our tutorial. We upload weekly different Canva design hacks and tutorials about freelancing and Canva and marketing. So better to stay tuned. So comment down below what kind of tutorials you wanted to see next, and we're going to create that. So share this to your friends that you think will benefit from this tutorial. So once again, this is Alan. I am the founder of The Hopeful Designer. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram as The Hopeful Designer. And let's see you on the next video. Thank you guys for staying in. So I really have nothing to say. Goodbye. Thank you.